Hello again, this is Jeremy at Matrix Integrated in Bend, Oregon. Today showing you the S&B fuel tanks. So S&B came out with the 47-gallon cross-linked poly fuel tank, which is being used in everything for a Sprinter, save for the Revels. The issue with the Revel is that there are some wiring and plumbing components at the end of the tank area that prohibit the 47-gallon from being used in a Revel. So S&B had to make new tooling and make new tanks that are 40-gallon for the Revels, both NCV3 and VS30. So what you're looking at here on the bottom is the S&B 40-gallon tank for the Revels. Factory tank is above it on the stand on the pogo jack. So fuel right here, fuel pump area there, so you can kind of see with those tanks lined up that the S&B protrudes just a little rearward, but mainly it's moving forward from factory location. So we got a 22 Revel here building. Besides the S&B tank, we did a Owl ladder tire combo and a B2 and large expedition box. We'll get onto the van here and show you what else we've done. Just kind of getting towards the end of the build here. OEM straight back exhaust. We have Van Compass engine, transmission T-case, and rear diff skids going in here soon. Van Compass 4.3 suspension, which we did 4,700 pound four-wheel drive springs, so that's standard. Back up here a little bit. So again, 4.3 plus suspension with the 4,700 pound springs from Agile. Get a shot of the rear Agile Alcon brakes. Show you the front brakes here. So again, the Alcon kit from Agile Offroad. It's a 13.5-inch rotor in the front, 6-piston caliper. Rear rotor is a 14-inch with a 4-piston caliper. We're still finishing up wiring in the front for the CA Tuned hammerhead bumper, Warn VR Evo 12S winch, synthetic line, pair of Baja LP9 Pro white. Again, as you know, we use custom Baja harness, factory 2-position switch. So as far as the fuel tank, get under here. So it's going to go in this position here. So again, we're going from a 24.5-gallon factory tank to the 40-gallon S&B tank on the Revel. Custom vans. The storytellers are running the 47-gallon S&B tanks. Both, again, S&B has a 47-gallon for both NCV3 and VS30s. For the Revels, S&B has the 40-gallon for both NCV3 and VS30s. You'll notice, again, the Revel owners already recognize this, but the water tank here, which with some of the other fuel tanks was causing a problem if the other fuel tanks like ACGB, for example, out of France, that tank would extend further to the driver's side. So with the S&B, you can retain any tanks along the side. You just need to keep this channel here where the factory tank is forward and aft clear of anything. This here, as you see right here in the picture, is are the components that prohibit the 47-gallon tank. 47-gallon would go all the way back here. So again, 40-gallon tank ends about here. So again, S&B tank, 40-gallon from S&B. Been working closely with them. We were lucky to get some of the first Revel tanks out there. Have a considerable inventory here of both 40 and 47 gallons. Pretty straightforward install. One thing to note is vans need to be equipped with the J51 option. It's a factory option code which allows the fuel gauge in the cluster to read fuel level off of the fuel level sensor in the tank. So if you don't have J51, you need to have a Sprinter dealership add J51 coding to your Sprinter. Been Jeremy at Matrix Integrated, Bend, Oregon. If you have any questions, let us know. Thanks for watching.